Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen cheesy. This simple twist elevates your instant noodles into a truly indulgent and comforting meal. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a warm, satisfying dish with minimal effort. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create a creamy, flavorful ramen that feels gourmet. To begin, grab one package of your preferred instant ramen noodles. For the cheesy goodness, about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, such as cheddar or mozzarella, works wonderfully. You'll also want 1/2 cup of milk or a small pat of butter to achieve that desired creamy texture. Don't forget the ramen seasoning packet and perhaps a dash of garlic powder for an aromatic touch. First, cook your ramen noodles as directed, aiming for an al dente texture. Next, drain most of the water, but save about 1/2 cup of that starchy noodle water. Return the noodles to the pot, then add your milk, butter, and the ramen seasoning packet. Stir in your chosen cheese over low heat, allowing it to melt into a luscious, creamy sauce that coats every noodle. For the creamiest results, use freshly shredded cheese, as pre-shredded varieties can contain anti-caking agents. Remember to turn off the heat just before adding your cheese to prevent it from sticking or becoming grainy. If your sauce is too thick, a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved noodle water will thin it perfectly. Finish with toppings like chopped green onions or a fried egg for an extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.